In this session, we'll start and why event structure is important. I will try to explain. And what is event structure? Definitely, I will explain tomorrow and or day after tomorrow. Control B. Sorry. Let's close this one. Suppose there is one waveform graph, waveform chart. There is one numeric control, and there is one time indicators. Change it into the indicators. Suppose I want to update the current time. Okay, current time. Clear? Right click, numeric indicator here, waveform chart here. Uh, Look at here, what I am trying to do here. You will easily able to understand why and what I am writing. Okay, for timestamp, create property node visible. For time step, change it. Now waveform graph visible, change it. Okay, now sir, here I am going to create control. Just a second. Stop. It is system stop. Send it backward. अच्छा. Later I will make it. Third. Okay. Second one is for the timestamp. And third one is for numeric. And the fourth one is for waveform. Display of this waveform. Are you getting my point, sir? Okay. Let's record.